high-speed wind and reduced pressure. Wind is the flow of gases on a large scale. On the surface of the earth, wind consists of the bulk movement of air. The wind blows because of differences in air pressure from one location to another. Wind blows from areas of high pressure towards areas of low pressure. If the high pressure area is very close to the low pressure area, or if the pressure difference is very great, the wind can blow very fast. Do you know that high-speed winds can blow away the weak roofs of buildings? High-speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure.